Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to view any private Instagram account. So I'm going to show you this account is private, and when I'm done doing this method, this account will be unlocked and it will be public for me only. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So the first thing you guys want to do is go to open up Safari and go to the website. Alright, so now what you want to do is you just want to enter your username, your Instagram username. So I'm entering mine, Harmony33, and go fast mode, connect. Alright, so now it's just going to connect to my username. And so basically what this does, I'm not sure how this website works, but basically what the website does is it basically makes every Instagram account that's private public for you. So I'm going to go with iOS, reveal private accounts, and yeah, so basically it'll unlock every single private account. You don't have to follow anybody to get unlocked. It literally just, if they're private, it'll just be public for you. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys at the end that it will unlock that exact private account. So verify now. Alright, so basically guys, to do this you just have to verify that you're a human being, because a lot of people have been abusing the service, I believe. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So all you have to do is just install and open 2 apps for at least 60 seconds each. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. The apps are all completely free. It's just a means of verifying that you're human. Yeah, it's super easy guys. It only takes about 2 minutes to do this, and yeah, I mean, as far as I know, this is the only working way to get this is the only working way to view private Instagram accounts without following the person, or yeah, this is really the only way to do it. And yeah, the nice thing about this is that it works for, like, it basically unlocks every single private account on the Instagram username that you selected. So make sure you just type in the right username. Anyway guys, I'm gonna just tell you a little bit about the verification. So it's pretty simple. Most of the time you just have to install and open 2 free apps. Like, these apps are all free and they're completely safe because they're all approved by the Apple App Store. They won't do anything to your phone. Me and my friends have all done this and we've all had no issues whatsoever. So yeah, and you just have to, so like the guide says to leave them open for 30 to 60 seconds. I just recommend leaving them open for 60 seconds each. And so after you're done it, I would just wait like 20 minutes and max, and if they don't unlock, like if all the Instagram accounts aren't unlocked in 20 minutes, I recommend installing more apps and just leaving them open longer. That's really your best bet. So I'm just gonna open this, and yeah, we're gonna leave this open for 30 seconds. I would leave it open longer, but you know, I just want to keep this short and sweet for you guys. I want to keep it simple. I don't want to waste too much of your guys' time, or I mean, I guess I'm not really wasting your time since I'm showing you a great method to view private Instagram accounts. But yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it open for 30 seconds to keep this video short and sweet. And yeah, like I said, I'm super excited to show you guys that the Instagram account that I showed you in the beginning will be public. So just sit tight. Okay, so this has been open for over 30 seconds. So we're gonna go back to Safari now, and we're gonna click back. Okay, now we're gonna open color by number. Okay, we're just gonna download that. We're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna leave it open for over 30 seconds, and right after that I will show you that the private Instagram account is unlocked. And yeah, the best part about this, you don't have to follow the account. Like, you can basically view private Instagram accounts without following using this method. Very easy. Damn, I wish like this connection was a bit faster. Okay, we're gonna open this up. We're gonna leave it open for 30 seconds. We did, so counter starts now. Alright, so I recommend you like interact with the app a little too, just to make sure that your verification registers properly. Again guys, if it doesn't unlock the private Instagram accounts right away, I recommend installing more apps and leaving them open for longer. That's really your best bet. Other than that, yeah, that's all you got to do. Just, yeah, honestly, you should just install all the apps on things on the website and just leave them all open for over a minute each. Alright, so this has been open for over 30 seconds, so now we're gonna go back to Instagram and check that account. So let's go Instagram. There you go guys. See, it is now public. That's awesome guys. I love this new method. So yeah,